Log into your Hosted Solutions account. Click on the customer's icon on the left side. This will bring up the customer grid. Input the customer's name in the search box. Click on the customer's name. Locate Wash Club Management. Scroll down to Wash Club Status, then click Edit. The next screen will display Wash Club Management. Click on the drop-down menu and change it from active to billing hold. Then press the Save button. Putting a customer on billing hold will instantly pause their account. They will not be able to use their Wash Club until their account is active again. You will return to the previous screen. Click on Wash Club Management. Scroll to Wash Club Status to confirm you have changed the customer's account to billing hold. When the customer is ready for their account to become active again, you will repeat the previous steps, but now change it from billing hold to active. When you press Save, you will get a pop-up letting you know when they will be billed again. If you want to push that date out further, click Yes on the pop-up. Then change the billing date to the desired date in the future. If you want to charge them the same day, click No on the pop-up box and have them re-sign up for the Wash Club. Do you still have questions about putting customers on billing hold or anything else Hosted Solutions related? Contact Hamilton's Hosted Solutions specialist today.